Everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Wanjiru Linet here, and today we are at Cairo Market. Something caught my attention is how organized their clothing shops are. Just look at it. Unlike in Kenya, where sometimes clothes are scattered down, here they hang them neatly, almost like how you arrange clothes in wardrobe. But imagine this setup in busy market. Just look at it.
تعالي اتفضلي كله جوه جوه تعالي اتفضلي
At this point, I decided to treat myself and bought a sweater. Look at it, so beautiful.
شكرا حبيبي.
After buying the sweater, we decided to go and see the famous River Nile. And something scary for me is whereby I couldn't manage to cross the road in Cairo. They drive on the left side, which is different from Kenya, where we drive on the right. It took me a few minutes to build up the courage and honestly even had to ask someone to help me cross. Let me tell you, the view in this place is breathtaking. Of course, people know about the River Nile is the largest river in the world, whereby it stretches across 11 countries in Africa and holding much history behind it, right? The view is breathtaking, and from the bridge that I'm standing, the water looked so calm and endless. Just look at it. Sadly, I didn't get to go down to the riverbank, but even from above, the view is truly awesome. So guys, I'm going on the other side whereby it's an island whereby it is called Zamalek. So this River Nile, it divides the island and the Cairo. So as we head the other side, we are going to Zamalek. Let's go to Zamalek. now at Zamalek site. Actually bought a necklace from Zamalek, and then let's go back to Cairo. Later bought myself a perfume, Arab perfume, and the smell was so strong to me, but when I mentioned it, they told me it was actually mild. Whatever you are seeing here, it's the population of Egypt. So guys, thank you so much for watching my today's video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more travel content. See you in the next episode. Bye.